May peace be upon you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Diazonic Labs. Hope you are all doing good and hope you are all safe at home. If you are new to our channel, request you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you don't miss out any of our free tutorials. Okay, so let's quickly begin with the topic for today, that is how to begin with TinkerCad or get going with TinkerCad. Okay, so let's open a browser. Okay, so this is my browser here. I just go to Google and type for TinkerCad. Okay, so when I just search for that, the first option which I get, www.tinkercad.com, I just click on that. Okay, so once I click on that, it will take me to the TinkerCad website. So on the top right corner there's a tab which says join now. Okay, I just click on that. In join now, I'll just click on the third option. Okay, there are three options. The first one is educators start here, the second one is students join a class, and the third one is create a personal account. So I'll be clicking on the third option, create a personal account. Okay, when I click on that, I get three more options. I can either sign up with email, I can sign in with Google, or I can sign in with Apple ID as well. Okay, I am comfortable with Google sign in. Okay, yeah, once I sign in, it will take at least 4 to 5 seconds, and it will ask me which Google account should I give for TinkerCad. So I'll be giving this account, Google account. Yeah, and it will take 4 to 5 more seconds, and it will land you in the TinkerCad page. Okay, yeah, this is our TinkerCad dashboard. Okay, here let's go to the circuits. Yeah, in circuits there's a suppose you have already made circuits, it will be saved here. Suppose you want to make a new circuit, you'll have to click on create new circuit. Yeah, yeah, so after that it will take again 4 to 5 seconds depending on the internet connection which you have. Okay, so you have a blank screen on the left, and to the right you have a screen with components. Okay, so by just scrolling down, I'll just take Arduino Uno R3 here, and suppose I have to take LED, I'll be taking a LED. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Okay, that's all. You can discover other components as well. Okay, so that's all in this video. Suppose you have any other doubts or questions, you can write it to me in the comment section below. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.